Good morning, everyone. This is the directions video for Wednesday, March 25th. Before I get started, I want to go over a couple of quick things that Mrs. Manning and I have been noticing over the past couple days. The first thing that we're going to go over, we've been seeing some people who want to comment different things to their friends. Say hi, maybe start a conversation with your friend. While that's so great and we love that everyone wants to be friendly, we also want to be sure that the comments on your assignment are only about that assignment. We don't want people to get confused or distracted if they see things that have nothing to do with the assignment. So if you do want to talk to your friends, maybe talk to your parents about a way that you could do that outside of our Google Classroom. That would be awesome. The next thing I'm going to talk about is how you're submitting your work. Getting a lot of questions from students and families asking whether or not they need to take pictures of their written work. If you'd like to send a picture and that's something that's easy for you to do, you can absolutely attach it to your assignment. However, we're not requiring that people submit their assignments this way. We're going to be slowly transitioning to more typed assignments. That way, when you complete something, you'll type it and we'll be able to grade it easily. But we understand that submitting work this way is new for students, so we're going to take it slow. And the last thing I'm going to go over, when you are finished with an assignment, be absolutely sure that you go in and click Mark as done. That is the only way that Mrs. Manning and I can see that you've turned something in. And it's easier for us to see that everyone has turned it in than going to a different website like iReady or Newsela to see who submitted it. For example, yesterday, so many people went to Newsela and read that article. Your quiz responses and writing responses were fantastic. 17 people answered the questions and read the article on Newsela. But when I went into Google Classroom, only 6 people had said that they'd finished it. Be sure once you finish an assignment, you go back to Google Classroom and mark it as done. That would be super helpful for Mrs. Manning and I because it'll make it easier for us to see who's done with which assignments. All right, now let's get into the directions. Remember, you can do these assignments in any order. I'm going to start with ELA. Today in ELA, you're going to be working on a couple different things. You're going to be going into iReady and doing a teacher assignment all about context clues. Before you start, watch the quick little video about what a context clue is. It'll help you understand more about what you'll be doing in the teacher assignment. When you're done with that, you can go on to your learning path and also work on your book club, book or response. Next, let's go over math. For math today, we're going to be doing something new. Under your assignment, you'll see attached something called a Google form. This is a way for me to see your answers immediately. I've made it almost like a digital worksheet. You'll see a question followed by a space for you to type an answer. Once you've submitted, I can see all of your answers and I can grade it from there. I hope this will be a really great tool for us to get some practice in and for me to be able to see your wonderful work. If you have any questions about using it or are confused, feel free to let me know. Also in that assignment, you'll see a little video I made reading a book about area. It's fun and cute, but also teaches us some more important things about area and measurement. So take a look. For handwriting, again today, you'll be trying to complete at least 2 pages to get some cursive practice in. Next, I'm going to go over your science and social studies assignment. Mrs. Manning has posted a really fun video all about dinosaurs. It's fun, but we also learn a lot from it. You do not need to comment or write anything, just be sure to watch the whole video. You also have PE today. Mrs. McLaughlin sent home a sheet with some ideas and a log for some physical activity today. Get creative and have fun with it. And last, we're going to continue working on growth mindset with Mojo. Be sure to watch the next video in the series all about challenges and answer the question posted in the assignment. Now for our question of the day. Yesterday, you read All Mixed Up, which was all about mixtures and solutions. I want you to think about a mixture or a solution that you might use during the day or see someone use during the day. For example, when you put all your Legos in one box, is that a mixture or a solution? When your mom or dad makes their coffee in the morning and adds milk and sugar, is that a mixture or a solution? Think of something that you might see in your house or have in the past. Comment below, what's your mixture or solution that you've used or you've seen someone use? Remember, our quote of the day, or quote of the week, is I can do hard things. I know that we can continue keeping up the hard work, getting all of our assignments done, and showing our best work. That's all I have for today. Have a great day, everyone.